4 of them back there, but I only got 2 hooked up just to break them in.
I'm running 3 subs. I ain't even got my other one.
And you're at 16 volts.
Yeah.
Man.
That's what I was wondering right there. That motherfucker ain't gonna fucking. I gotta put that fan on that fucking regulator.
Is it bad?
Huh?
Is it bad?
Well, it kicks up. I gotta let it. I'm gonna hook the speed.
Yeah, that's all going on. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one needed charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their face. I can just snap every night in the
Look on my face, and if you got the money, let me spend it, make your whole crew do it, spend it.
I'ma make a little dough, I'ma spin a little cake. Put it all on the plate. Got a little bit of room, got an appetite.
And that's on only 2 amps.
That's only 2 amps with no alternator on them.
Jesus. You did a lot of different changes, not just the sub though. It
Yeah,
had
I
to be.
changed all my box
Yeah.
and everything inside. Tell me, that shit sounds.
It's a lot better. It's probably with less power. It's
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
818s.
818.
Yeah, I got it, man. I gotta see. I gotta let my alternator, the regulator cool down so I can charge it.
Still considered a ported box though.
Yeah, it's ported.
Yeah. Do you know what it's tuned to now?
26.
Tuned to 26, so tuned really low.
Yeah.
How big is your box? If it's a lot of math, I'm sure, but do you know your net?
I know everything. I got 52 cubes total.
Really? Nice.
52 cubes total. My port area is half of what it should be, but I ain't got no other way.
Yeah.
Push that. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So,
52 cubes, so 52 divided by 8. So
yeah,
what is that?
about 6.5.
6.5, yeah.
About 6.5 per sub.
And then you added this in here.
Yeah. I got 4 layers of wood all the way through the roof, plus this here. And I did the plexiglass on the roof. So delete the sunroof on.
I bet you're gonna get 60 when you're done.
Well, like I said, I mean, these are just break-in. I mean, this is, so, you know.
How much port area?
Well, I'm half of what it should call for.
Okay.
But unfortunately, you know, to run 818s, you have to
have
lose
space.
somewhere.
Yep.
So, But like I said, by tuning it low like it is, I mean, it actually worked out pretty good. So.
Okay. You want to put on one more, or are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just put the window up.
You just lift the lever up. There you go.
Right there. All right.
I'm trying to let this thing cool down so I can.
I mean, if you're good until later, I can get with you later.
Well, I just need to. We were up there. She was broke down, so I'm just wanting to make sure my regulator, because my regulator's running 2 alternators.
Yeah.
There we go.
You never tried self-regulated, or I don't. What is that? What's it called? Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's going over.
You got this thing foamed up.
Yeah, it's
Everything's flexing.
everything.
But you could tell a big difference going from 4 amps to 2 with that voltage up, and just the change in subs and the motor.
And we're running just off a battery, right?
Yeah, I know. Can't imagine when you're on full power and everything's right. That's pretty good, man. That sounds good. I tell you to turn it down because I don't want anything bad to happen.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I'm running just off my battery right now.
Yeah.
So.
Thanks for the demo, man. That was good. Yep. You know what?
Hey, I ain't even got my alternators on. That's just off a battery right there.
You what?
And that's only 2 amps.
Yeah.
Straight out the gate, I'm about to break. Ain't no mistakes, I'm about to make no mistake. I'm about to break out the way I'm in DJ Rusticles kid tested, mother approved.
I'm robbing people, but I'm an honest man. Sugar boom boom.
way better than before, I'm telling you. Because before you were falling off on the loads, now you're like...
Yeah, well, I changed up the subs, but the way I redid the back of the box, whenever it was loaded in the top of my box up here.
Okay.
And I changed it up, so.
Man. And you went a little deeper in the back.
Yeah.
That helps.
Yeah. Opened it up a little bit.
Dude, that's insane though. And you're on low power.
Yeah, I'm on literally, I got 2 amps at 1 ohm instead of running 4 amps at half ohm. Yeah, so I'm just breaking them in.
Yeah, thanks for showing me again, man. Woo. Dude, that was impressive, to be honest, because noticing from what you went from with the power to now, can't imagine at full power.
Yeah.
I'ma make a little dough, I'ma spin a little cake. Put it all on the plate. Got a little bit of room, got an appetite late. Waking up by the lake, waking up by the lake. I'll wait till you date. Put the cookie on my face. Put the cookie on my face, let me get a little taste. Up to the beat. My money, my offering. The money rain on it, picking up the pace. How about
You ain't got no money. You ain't got no money. You ain't got no money. Get the hell up out my face. Get the hell up out my face. Get it out my face. Get the hell up out my face. And if you got the money, let me spend it. Spend it. Spend it. Spend it. Spend it. Make the whole crew do it. Do it. Spend 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 it.
I make it rain on them, only if they got the same name on them. Let me explain just how to make lightness straight out the gate. I'm about to break. Make no mistakes. Rusticles, kid tested, mother approved.
Honest man.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.